Do you know that a day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus? Venus spins so slowly on its axis that it takes 243 Earth days for one rotation, while its orbit around the Sun only takes 225 Earth days. Do you know that your body has enough iron to make a nail? The tiny amount of iron in your blood is enough to create a small metal nail if it was all collected. Do you know that octopuses have 3 hearts and blue blood? 2 hearts pump blood to their gills, and 1 pumps it to the rest of their body. Their blue blood helps them survive in deep waters. Do you know that a sunflower is not just one flower? A sunflower head is made up of thousands of tiny flowers called florets, which eventually become seeds. Do you know that a lightning bolt is 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun? A lightning bolt can heat the air around it to about 30,000 kelvins, or 53,540 degrees Fahrenheit. Pretty wild, right? Do you know that more than 80% of the ocean remains unexplored? Scientists have actually mapped more of the Moon and Mars than the deep sea on our own planet. Isn't that just mind-blowing? Do you know that ants can lift objects 50 times their body weight? If you were that strong, you could lift a car all by yourself. How cool would that be? Do you know that the sun produces enough energy in 1 second to power the Earth for 500,000 years? That's why solar power is such an exciting energy source for the future. Do you know that hot water freezes faster than cold water? This is called the Mpemba Effect, and scientists are still trying to understand exactly why it happens. Do you know that the dinosaurs lived closer in time to humans than to the T-Rex's ancestors? The T-Rex roamed the Earth around 65 million years ago, while its ancestors lived over 200 million years ago. Do you know that there are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on all the Earth's beaches? Scientists estimate there are about 200 sextillion stars in the observable universe. Do you know that your brain generates enough electricity to power a light bulb? The human brain produces about 20 watts of electricity, especially when you're thinking hard. Do you know that a cheetah can accelerate faster than a sports car? A cheetah can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3 seconds, faster than most vehicles. Do you know that the world's oldest living tree is over 4,800 years old? It's called Methuselah, and it's a bristlecone pine tree found in California. Do you know that water can boil and freeze at the same time? This happens at a specific pressure and temperature called the triple point. Do you know that whale songs can travel thousands of miles underwater? Humpback whales sing complex songs, and the sound waves can carry across entire ocean basins. Do you know that Earth's core is as hot as the surface of the sun? The temperature of Earth's core is around 10,800 degrees Fahrenheit, similar to the sun's outer layer. Do you know that one day on Earth used to last only 18 hours? Billions of years ago, Earth spun faster on its axis, and the moon was much closer to our planet. Do you know that the first computer was as big as a room? The ENIAC computer, built in 1945, weighed over 27 tons and took up 1,800 square feet. Do you know that you could power a light bulb with a potato? A potato battery uses the chemicals in the potato to create a small amount of electricity.